I'm gonna briefly introduce what we developed during this week on the front desk part. So as you can see that this is our changed front end. Like you can see that as we're developing a USC edition chatbot, we've changed the main color into red and yellow, which is the main color of our school. And then for here, we also changed the button, the text on button into Go Trojan instead of just simply send. And then now I can show you a brief example of how our bubble looks like. So here I would ask him, you hit Go Trojan, and then our bubble, it just simply looks like a gray bubble, and then this is the user's avatar. And then for the chatbot's avatar, since it's a USC edition, we're using the Trojan as the avatar. And then the whole chatbot just looks like a gray part, which is very clean and easy to view. So this is how our front end looks like.
This week, we modified the method of processing transcripts of the videos. We are still using the YouTube transcripts API to get the transcripts of the video, but we changed to this function getText trunks to trunk the video to trunk the transcripts, because this is for code integration. And for this function, we need to pass a long text, and the output is chunks of data. So we need to merge all the sentences together, and we need to match the correct timestamp. So in order to do that, we added this index in front of every sentence, and we merged them together into a long text, and then pass the long text to this function, and we get trunks of length of around 500 characters. And we use regular expression to identify the first index in every trunk. The first index of every trunk's timestamp. And we use that timestamp we assign that timestamp to each trunk. And then we save those data into our database. And this is what we got. I printed them out. As you can see, there are timestamps followed by each trunk of text. So this is what we did in this week.
So I'm going to talk about some improvements of our vector search function. So in order to adapt the new vector database with YouTube video link, we do some changes to our similarity search function. So if a user send a question, and it will send to this similarity search functions, and right here, once we have the user's question, we'll find context, blah blah blah, and then we will check if the database has if the answers that the potential answers that we get from the vector search has a corresponding YouTube video link. If there's a video link, it will return from this function. And we're going to judge if there is a video link. If there is a video link, then our response will have the answers generated by the models with the video links with the timestamp that can point to the videos that explained the answers for the user's question.